Today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download Wix website files. If you are someone looking to back up your Wix site or move your content to another platform, you're in the right place. First off, it's crucial to note that Wix does not currently offer a direct way to download a full copy of your website files, such as HTML, CSS, or JavaScript. However, I'm here to guide you through the process of saving your site elements, so stay tuned as we navigate this together. Let's begin by addressing the content you own separately, like images and text. You can easily download your images by accessing the Wix editor. Once you're in, simply click on Media located in the left panel. Now, browse your uploaded images and find the ones you want to save. Click on each image to open its details and look for the download option. Download and organize these images into folders on your local machine for easy access later. For text content, the process is a bit manual, but straightforward. Go to each page of your website and simply copy the text you want to keep. Open a new document in your favorite word processor and paste the text there. Doing this ensures that all your written content is backed up. It's also a good opportunity to edit and format your text for future use if you plan to migrate or rebuild your site elsewhere. If your website includes any customized scripts or external widgets, remember to document or save the original code snippets. These can usually be found in the settings or configuration area of the widget you added to your site. Copy the scripts into a text file to back them up. This step is crucial if you aim to replicate the same features on another platform later. Next, consider utilizing the Wix data export feature if applicable. Head to your site dashboard and check any databases or collections you've used. Wix allows you to export this data as a CSV file, an excellent way to ensure your structured content is preserved. To do this, simply choose the collection you want, click the Export button, and follow the prompts to save the CSV file onto your computer. Lastly, for those looking to preserve the look and feel of their current design, taking screenshots is a simple, effective method. Capture each crucial page and save these images in a dedicated folder. This will serve as a visual reference as you work on redesigning or rebuilding the site on another platform. In summary, while Wix doesn't support a direct full site download, taking these steps diligently will ensure you save the vital components of your website. I hope this has been helpful in guiding you through securing your site content. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment if you have any questions or need further clarification. Thank you for watching and happy website managing.